Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Dr. Vidya's Health Tips. Today I've come up with the topic PCOD, which has been very common nowadays and found in most of the women, counting more than 1 million cases per year in India. Yes, without delay, let's get into the topic. Firstly, let's know what is PCO. PCO, polycystic ovary. Poly means many or multiple. Cystic, cyst means a membranous sac in the body containing fluid. Ovary. There are two ovaries in female reproductive system, as you already know. Ovaries have two main reproductive functions in the body. One is they produce oocytes for fertilization, and the other one is they produce reproductive hormones known as estrogen and progesterone. PCOS and PCOD. PCOS means polycystic ovary syndrome. It is a disorder of endocrine system. PCOD means polycystic ovarian disease. It is a condition developed by the imbalance of hormones. Whereas polycystic ovarian disease is characterized by multiple small cysts in ovaries, which makes ovaries enlarge and leads to imbalance of hormones in the body, and it causes problems with menstrual periods and also difficult for a lady to conceive. Nowadays, it is a common condition affecting 15 to 20% of women in age group of 18 to 45 years. Don't get confused with PCOS and PCOD. Whereas in PCOS is a syndrome or group of symptoms that affects ovaries and ovulation. The main features of PCOS are multiple cysts in the ovaries, high levels of male hormones, irregular periods, and obesity. The first one is multiple cysts in the ovaries, which are fluid-filled sacs grows inside the ovaries. These cysts appears as garland appearance, as you can see in the image. The second one is due to high levels of male hormones, which is androgen. Basically, normal women, there will be production of high levels of female hormones known as estrogen and low levels of male hormones known as androgen. But in PCOS women, there will be production of low levels of female hormones estrogen and high levels of male hormone androgen. Yes, PCOS patient will produce more androgen comparing to normal female. So, she will have more masculine male features as compared to normal lady. Yes, due to high androgen levels, acne appears, which means pimples on the face. Normally, pimples disappears with the flow of the periods because during periods all the hormones comes down and the time where androgen levels also falls down. And also appearance of hair on the face, chin, lips, and hair all over the body, such as hair on the chest, on the abdomen, on upper thighs and medial thighs, and etc. And the other effect is central obesity, whereas more fat present on the shoulder and other arms, and also shoulder hump present. And the other symptoms which arises are type 2 diabetes mellitus, sleep disorders, heart problems, depression, headache, thyroid problems, darkening of skin, decreased libido, male pattern baldness, endometrial cancer, infertility, and weight gain. These are the causes, signs, and symptoms of PCO. In the other video, we'll discuss about the PCO lifestyle changes, prevention, management, and treatment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your loved ones. Make sure you subscribe my channel, hit the bell button to get notified when I post a new video. Thank you all.